Good morning, everybody. All you roofers out there that are interested in the best roofing accessory tool you'll probably ever find. I bought it right here at ABC Supply, Wilmington, North Carolina. I love this place. And you can also find these things on pitchhopper.com. But if you buy it there, you're gonna pay shipping, and by the time you're done, it's gonna come up to about the same amount as if you just went and picked it up and had it in your hand, because I love to have things in my hand. So this is a pitch hopper, and it's made right here in the USA. Yeah. Right here in the USA. This is a 32-inch pitch hopper, and I have not opened it because I wanted to wait and open it with you to show you what you're actually getting. Oh my God, these things are amazing. Okay, pitch hopper. There it is. Let me finish opening this thing. And if you do roofing, even if you do work at home, like your own work, if you get up on your roof for any reason, go out and buy these pitch hoppers, okay? They are amazing. Secure, personal fall arrest system. But remember, this isn't necessarily going to keep you from falling off the roof. Use great care when walking on the roof. I am not advertising that you can stand on this and you cannot fall off the roof. Yes, you can fall off the roof. You definitely need to pay attention to what you're doing. Don't be standing on the back of the pad, you know, where it has most of its support when you're standing here. And you see the pitch of that would be like the pitch of a pretty steep roof. You can lay a bundle of shingles on there. You can lay anything you want to. And then it also has another pitch for the other side. So if your pitch is lower, these things are great, guys, for holding your tools or whatever the case may be. Pitch hopper, you guys knocked it out of the ballpark. Let me share this information with you guys. It's amazing. I love this product. I'm not getting anything from this product. These people are not paying me to show any of this. I am doing this because I like to share things when I find awesome stuff. If you type in Drew's Roofing and Home Repair pitch hopper, you'll see a couple videos of me actually using these. Well, I have a project coming up. And I plan on using these on it, and I only have 2 of them right now. I just wanted to get 2 more because there'll be 2 of us. This is for anybody that's not American, Mexican. I can read the Mexican. Yes, good product. Buy this. Buy this. Very good product, okay? And you can find this online, or you can buy it right at your local ABC Supply store. They carry them. Or if you go on to pitchhopper.com, you'll either find that you can buy them there or where they have them. So go buy yourself a pitch hopper. You'll be amazed. It's a styrofoam-like type bottom. It's very durable. I've used mine for quite some time and quite often. But like I said, I had a job coming up to where I could use a couple more of these. So I figured I better go ahead and just go grab them. So if you have an ABC Supply store around you, go grab you some pitch hoppers. You're gonna love them. Check out my videos. I'm gonna try to put a link below this video of one of the videos where I have been using them. So check it out. See you when we get there, guys. Hit that like button, please. And make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified next time I put out a video.